using ABAP program. Now we are going to add some details into table. Okay. So what is the T code to create the program, report program? SC. Yesterday only I told you. SC. Yeah, very good. Excellent. SC38. SC38 is the T code to create the program. If you want to create a new screen, you can give /O SE38 so that you will create a new screen. Okay. If you give slash and SE38 means this SE11 screen will be vanished. You will get SE38 overlapped. I mean, you will get only SE38. This SE11 will be go off. If you give /O means you will create a new screen SE38. So created. Then again, I'm going for change. Let me comment. So what is the, so if you don't want to use the program, you have to comment the program. So how to comment the program? Control less than. Okay. Control less than. To uncomment, control greater than. Okay. Yeah. So anyone have access to SAP now? So I'm giving some command. Program to update the table. What is my table name? Okay, then I'm closing the command. Okay. So for taking the data or updating the table processing anything means thumb rule is first you have to create the structure and then you have to create the internal table and then work area if required. Okay, thumb rule is first create the structure and then the internal table and then work area if required. Okay, note it down. I hope everyone is taking notes, right? So from tomorrow onwards, you have to share your screen and you have to tell me, you have to write the coding. Okay. So how to create the structure? Go to pattern, same method. Yesterday told us same method. Go to pattern with the fields. Here what I should give? I should give what I should give? I should give table name. Yes, correct. Very good. So we have to give the table name in which we are going to take the data. Sorry, in which we are going to update the data. Either it is update the data, take the data, whatever it may be, you have to give first the table name here. So what is the table name I should give? Z demo ZM details underscore 1. This is my table. So click on this one. So for updating the table, you need MANDT also. Okay. Wait. Press control and then give tick mark so that all the fields will be selected. So automatically we'll get one coding, header coding. This is the automatic header coding in which you will be having the complete structure of the table. Okay. So data begin of what is this TS underscore M details underscore 1. This is the structure name. TS underscore ZM underscore details underscore 1 is the structure name. So we have to give the name to structure, internal table, work area, and everything. Okay. So you have to give the name first. So this TS was automatically came from database which you have taken, right? So no need to change it off. Once you got it, change the data into types because types means it is called structure. Data means it is called data declaration. It comes under data declaration. So we are not going to do some data declaration now. We are going to create one structure. Okay. I have created my structure. 31 to 35 is termed as structure. So if you have any doubt on creating the structure, just ping me in the chat window. I will try to clear it up because after that, I'm going to create the internal table and then the ABAP logic to update the data into the table. So if you have any doubt, just ping me in the chat window.